Introducing AXON Forehead and Ear Thermometer. I will simply demonstrate on how to use AXON Forehead and Ear Thermometer. First, take out the thermometer from the box. Open the battery cover at the back of the thermometer. You will notice there is a button at the back. Push up the button for Fahrenheit unit and down for Celsius unit. Next, point the thermometer toward forehead and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Make sure the pointing angle is correct. Having the capability in measuring body temperature for 30 seconds. The final reading is average temperature. AXON thermometer also can measure temperature through ear. Just pop the cap at the top of the thermometer, and you can use it easily. Here is the reading. AXON Forehead and Ear Thermometer. A smarter and reliable choice. Get it now.